Good evening, everyone. Today we will learn how to use MS Word in mobile phone. First of all, you have to download WPS Office from the Play Store. As I have already downloaded, so I'll open it. From this plus button, you can create a new. It depends upon you what do you want to create. Like we would like to create a document. I'll click on the document. These are few templates, but I'll go for a blank document. Once you will click on the blank document, the document will be opened. Then you can type anything. Like I have typed computer. Now let us see how we can apply formatting to the text. For applying the formatting to the text, we will click on this button and we will see different tabs as we see them on the computer. This is home tab, which is having size, bold, italic, underline, text colors, highlight color, and your alignments also. Like I make it center aligned. So the word computer has become center aligned. After this, you can change color also. You can increase and decrease the space between the two lines. You can make one column, two columns. You can make it small, capitals, etc. Now next tab is your file tab. From file tab we can save and we can save as also. We can go to the print option. Next tab is insert tab. From insert tab we can insert any of the pictures which are already in your system, in your phone. You can click the picture from the gallery, or you can click any picture. You can insert any of the shapes. Like I'm inserting a circle, I can move that shape. I can add text inside the shape. Then if I would like to write after this, or I would like to do something else, I'll press the enter key. My cursor will come down. Although I have selected center alignment, that's why my cursor is in the center only. I can change the alignment. You can insert table also. If you will click on the table, it will give you the option of number of columns and number of rows. So you can change the number of rows or number of columns from here. You can change the table style also. Click on OK. It will be inserted like this. At the top, A, B, C, D, E are your column headings. From this plus sign you can add more column also, and from this plus sign you can add more rows also. If you would like to select the whole table, you can click on this. It will cut, copy, delete the whole table. You can go to the table properties. You can apply different shading to your table. You can do the alignment and wrap also. You can type the text inside the table. So this is your tab for table. And we can go to the view option also. How we would like to view this. We can use pens also. Go to the home button, file, and we can click on the save button. Here I can give the name also. Like I'm writing a you can say test. I can change the location from here. Where do I want to save my file? I would like to save my file in my documents. I'll go to phone, my documents. Once you are saving your file, you should know where you are saving your file. Then you can click on the save button. Now we will see how to open the saved document. First option is we will go to the WPS Office. Here you can see your recent documents. If you'll click on it, it will get opened. The other option is I'll go to my files. As I have told you, you keep remember where you are saving. I have saved it in my phone, so I'll go to the internal storage, my documents, and this is the document. Like this, we can open it. Thank you.